Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to tell Indeed that you've got a job. Whether you wanna share your story or inspire others, this is how you can do it. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. After you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now head over to this My Job section at the bottom, tap on it. Now go through the job that you got selected for and note down its information. Now in order to share that you have a job, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in your browser, navigate to gotajob.indeed.com. Once you open this URL, here you can see the Share Your Story button, tap on it. Now here you can give a description about how you got your job. You can enter your name, your company name, your new job title, your new job location. Once you fill up these informations, tap on this Next Step button. Now in the next page, you can mention what this job means to you and how Indeed helped you to find this job. So you can fill up these informations accordingly. And after that, you can tap on this Share Your Story button at the bottom. And there you go. That's how you can share your story and tell Indeed that you've got a job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.